Hey, my name is Yossi Ashkenazi, and I will show you today the project me and Omer Kappon worked on in our course of Advanced Software Development taught by Dr. Eliyahu Khalastchi. This project is about creating a user interface to flight simulator desktop application based on known flight simulator. The project is written in Java and implements design patterns, as well as solid and Grasp programming principles. First, let me take you to the 5 milestones we had. The first one was about creating general design of server-side architecture using Grasp and solid principles. The second milestone was about creating simple server solver using cache manager and file streaming. The third milestone was the implementation of best search algorithm in order to solve a generic problem. The fourth milestone was about building a costume interpreter. The fifth and the last milestone was about creating a graphical user interface desktop app. Now I will show you how the simulator is working. So, as you can see, we already launched the server side and the client side for advance, and also the flight gear is already working. So now, I will start by loading the map, which will represent the topographic area in Honolulu. Great. Then I will pick a desired destination over the map, connect to the server, and then watch it give us the best way to get there. Great. Now I will turn on the engine. As you can see, the engine is running. Now I will load the autopilot script. Hit the button of the autopilot. And we will see the plane fly all by itself. In just a few seconds, the aircraft will take off, so be patient. As you can see, the plane is actually flying all by itself through the autopilot script. The plane will climb slowly and then will follow the plane route. Now, let's say we want to manually control the aircraft and move the aircraft by the joystick. So, all we need to do is to choose the manual option and connect. Once we are connected, we have full control of on the aircraft. Every move we make on the joysticks make the aircraft moving accordingly. Let's move it to the other side and play with the throttle and rudder. I can do it for hours. Okay, so now let's review the design pattern of this project. Let's start with the server side. We have separated the server responsibilities for each of its actions. The server interface, take care of the connections. The client handler, handle the client's request. And the cache manager saves the paths we already used. Here you can see how we use design pattern to create separation between the problems and the algorithms that are used to solve them. For example, it can be a graph problem, and the BFS algorithm will solve the problem. Now let's talk about the client side. We've used the MVVM design pattern model view model. The benefit of using this method is the extensibility, the testability, and the maintainability. The data has been binded between the view and the view model. Every time the view sends an event, such as moving the joystick, the view model converted into something that the model will be able to understand. The view model is observing the model, and this is how it gets notified from our simulator about its state. That was all, guys. Thanks for watching.